Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Nusayin Cooling Ace, also marketed as the Brizaac Air Conditioner. It's been all over social media lately, claiming to be a compact, powerful cooling solution for those hot summer days. The ads say it's perfect for your desk, nightstand, bathroom, or even mounted on the wall. It's got 3 speed settings, ultra-quiet operation, and a space-saving design. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But here's where things get a little questionable. The product promises it can reduce your room temperature by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit in just a few seconds. Now that sounds great, almost too great. And that's because it probably is. This isn't a real air conditioner. It doesn't have any refrigerant or compressor, which are essential for actual air conditioning. What it really is a small fan, maybe with some evaporative cooling, but that's about it. So if you're expecting real cooling power, you're likely to be disappointed. Another red flag is how it's marketed. Calling it an air conditioner is misleading. Sure, it moves air around, but it doesn't cool a room like a true AC unit. Also, the claim that it uses 40% less energy than traditional air conditioners is technically true, but only because it doesn't do nearly as much. That kind of comparison is more of a marketing trick than a useful fact. We also found this same exact device being sold on Chinese wholesale sites like Alibaba for under $10. That means many of these listings are probably drop shipping operations that rebrand the product and charge a much higher price. In fact, several websites are using the exact same photos and copy-pasted product descriptions, some of which have already been flagged for unreliable shipping, poor customer support, or outright scams. The bottom line? You might receive a product, but it's probably not going to live up to the hype. It'll blow a light breeze your way, and that's about it. If you're just looking for a mini fan, fine. But if you're hoping to actually cool down your space, this isn't the solution.